Okay, today is Saturday, the 3rd of February. Had this leftover Teflon from the material I used to make the feet for the casters on my safe to protect the marble floor underneath. Little notches on the top so I can remember which way's up. So what I'm doing is using this as a packer for the chamber on my cigarette machine. It seems to be a whole lot more consistent when I do it that way. And I also found letting the little rubber nib hold the paper works better than me backing it up. So I just packed it. And then on this excess tobacco, all I've been doing is pinching that off before I put them in my aluminum cases. The tube is well filled and consistent all the way across, more better than me using my fingers. So hold on just a second. So anyway, just quickly pinch the end tobacco off where it tries to come back out. I think I need to get a better quality tube and filter. These ones I bought were 4 Aces brand. They're only $1.99 for 200 of them, so the price is definitely right. But I think if I had a bit better quality tube, I could get even better consistency, and maybe the tobacco would not spring back out on the ends. So I'll get on Amazon here in a little bit and look at reviews and bring in some better quality tubes. Try those. Yield wise, if I had to put a number on it, I'd say this 1 pound bag yields at least 2 cartons or 400 cigarettes. Be my best guess. And I've got a different tobacco coming in from Chicago area, same 1 pound quantity, I believe is a finer cut, and it's also less than half the price of the tobacco I can buy locally, including shipping. It's about 2/3 the price. But once I find the blend that I like, I'll order like 5 1 pound bags so it maintains freshness a little bit better than one big 5 pound bag. That's 5 1 pound bags, be approximately 10 cartons. That's a lot. And it lasts me several months actually. And several months. But I doubt people have little pieces of Teflon laying around like I do. It's just some leftover material. I didn't buy it specifically for this. But a person could probably use something as simple as a piece of floor tile. I'll just cut it to fit. And I bet that would work. Just not ceramic, I'm talking vinyl floor tile. I'm sure that would work just fine. Once you get the amount of pressure figured out, fairly quick. I'm on my 6th pack, and I've been doing this for less than an hour and a half, and that's time off to drink some coffee and make my little Teflon things and scratch my head a bit. I've already blown 5 of my cigarette tubes today. Yesterday I blew about 3 or 4, so it's less than a 5% failure rate, but I'm pretty sure these 4 Aces cigarette tubes with filters ain't the best ones in the world. But locally all these pliers are just stupid expensive. Stupid expensive. And so I won't be buying local on any of this stuff. It'll be internet. The tubes and such you can get on Amazon. The tobacco you cannot. You have to find a distributor, and then you got to pay shipping. But again, once you find the right blend and get, you know, a 5-pound quantity, that's a lot of damn tobacco. So anyway, that's my plan. Let me turn my radio back up and get back to what I was doing. Cold front blew in, and birds have been coming over all morning getting something to eat because they're cold. And we got about a ½ inch of rain so far, and it's supposed to rain a couple more days at least. And I'll top off the feeders before I leave today. My lot back there, where I did that little bit of drainage work to get it to drain better, that's working out very well. I don't see any standing water at all. So that plan worked out. And yeah, I'm just kind of enjoying my day. So that's all for this one. Thank you.